Alright, just taking a video of everything. We were sick this whole week. And we had to take a lot of toilet paper, a lot of towels. Let me pick this up. So I cleaned it up. I just wanted to show you. I left the unused toilet paper. I just don't trust these people. So yeah. We had to move these things, so everything is here. Those go in front of the sofa. But yeah, I just want to make sure they see that there's no damage. And okay, yeah, and we didn't steal nothing. Okay, all right, checking out. Oh, I gotta get the keys from everybody. 203. And all the extra toilet paper we left there. He came here to go out and about Dulce and wound up sick for the week. I gotta get the keys from them.
Have the keys with you?
Yeah, I gotta get it from. Alright, this is mine. Let me get theirs. They're in the car.
No, it's okay. The key, they can have it. But everything is out, right? You're checked out completely, right? There's nothing of you in the room.
No, nothing in the room. So you don't need this back?
Yeah, it's okay. You can keep the key.
Okay. Oh, and can I get a receipt? They said you'd give me a receipt.
Sure. Was everything all right with this day?
Sure. Except the nighttime guy wasn't very nice. I think his name was. He wasn't very nice. Other than that.
May I know what happened?
Huh?
May I know what happened?
Well, we've been sick, throwing up, stomach virus, diarrhea, and we told him that we needed extra toilet paper, and he said we wouldn't have to come down and get it. And I was like, dude, I'm gonna throw up all over the hallway. And they said, okay. And we asked him for an extra garbage. He wouldn't give it to us because we were all throwing up. So I just wanted a receipt, though. And then the incidentals goes back on the card when?
It goes. We release it today itself.
Okay.
But the bank usually takes like 3 to 5 days.
Okay.
That'll be the problem.
That was very emotionally moving. Just not him talking at Mar-a-Lago from his home. He made a statement before the press and then brought up some of the mothers and relatives of people who have suffered on this issue of immigration violent crime, illegal immigrant violent crime.
I'm sorry about the thing with it, but usually what happens is we cannot let take stuff and go upstairs, leaving the front desk out. So we usually request the guests to come down. But the situation
exactly.
Yeah. That's what usually happens. That's why I told you like that.
But my son came down to get an extra garbage, and he just outrightly told him no. And because a small bin, because everybody was throwing up, there's only one bathroom, so.
We had garbage bags, but we don't have any food.
Extra bin.
Yeah, that's the problem. If we had, he would have given you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So it's going to show you balance as 0.
Okay.
But this is going to be the pet charge.
The charge, right.
The room charge.
Okay. I'm sorry, what's that?
Because it's going to be back.
I appreciate that.